I just want to give my thoughts on all the stuff that's been happening in the UK. You know, you've got the EDL protest, you've got, you know, all these stabbings happening and all these, you know, mad stuff that's been happening in the UK. And I just want to give my thoughts on this video today about all the stuff that's been happening. Now, before I do talk about that, I just want to mention that I did leave the UK 2 months ago. I moved to Dubai, as you can see over here. And the reason I moved to Dubai was because the UK was just going downhill. Like, everything about the UK was just going downhill. You had stabbings happening left, right and center. You know, kids are being taught that they can change their gender in school and, you know, all this mad stuff. And I just felt like the UK wasn't the place to be. And I moved to Dubai because, you know, the whole culture here, the whole way the UAE's run. My 2 months so far here has just been amazing. I've never been happier. I've never felt more welcomed in a community. And, you know, people are so nice here, people are so helpful. It could be with the fact that everything's so safe, so no one's, you know, worried about anything like that. But ever since I've been here, it's just been amazing. I am going to talk about Dubai later on, but I just want to first talk about the stuff that's been happening in the UK. So firstly, it all started off with the whole Manchester situation where, you know, there's a few group of Asian lads that policemen were attacking, etc. Obviously, with the whole CCTV footage that did come out later on, we were able to establish that the group of Asian lads were the ones that attacked the policeman first, and then the policeman retaliated after. Now, I completely do not agree of the actions of those guys attacking the policeman. I think that was completely wrong. You can't do that. But at the same time, the policeman retaliating was completely wrong as well. I know that started off a whole little protest from the EDL and Tommy Robinson, you know, going on a mad one, and, you know, them doing a protest in the UK and attacking. I mean, they were doing the exact same thing. They were throwing bricks at police officers, and they were attacking mosques, and they were attacking Muslims and, you know, people from ethnic minorities as well. And prior to the protest becoming as bad as it is now was the whole Southport stabbing, where, you know, a 17-year-old came into a studio and stabbed 3 little girls to death and, you know, injured another, I think it was another 10 kids as well. So it's mad. It's honestly mad. And obviously there was rumors going around that the kid was a Muslim. So this whole protest is becoming even worse now because they don't want people of ethnic minorities in their country. So this whole protest is about them wanting Britain back. They want the ethnic minorities out. They don't want immigrants in the country, which is, it's funny when you think about it, because these same people that don't want these people in the country are the same people that will order an Indian takeaway. These are the same people that when they need to go home after having a night out of drinking, they'll go into a cab and it will be driven by an immigrant. These are the same people that when they go to the hospital, they'll be treated by an immigrant. And these immigrants aren't here to, you know, break the country down, because after World War II, the country welcomed these immigrants, and these are the same immigrants that built up the country. So it's funny for these people to say that they don't want these guys in the country, but at the same time, they don't want to do these jobs. You know, they complain that they take all the jobs, but they don't want to do the jobs that these guys are willing to do. So, and not only that, you know, they blame the ethnic minorities for all the crime that's been happening, all the stabbings that's been happening, etc. So I understand all that, that's fine. But look at Dubai, right? And this is why I'm referencing Dubai. Look at Dubai. Dubai is built off immigration. It's built off 80% of people that aren't even born here. There's over 200 nationalities here, all from various religions, all from different backgrounds, all from different upbringings. How come in Dubai and the UAE in general, how come everyone lives in harmony with each other? But in the UK, that's not possible. You know, that says more about how the country is run rather than the people that are in the country. So rather than complaining that the UK has all these ethnic minorities and they're the reason why, you know, crime is going through the roof, and, you know, they're the reason why we can't get jobs and all this bullshit. If that's the case, then how come Dubai is thriving? How come countries like the UAE are thriving? How come the UAE, which is built off immigration, 80% of people are immigrants here, but you don't see no crime. You don't see people complaining that, oh, these immigrants are taking the jobs, because the country is run well. And the UK is just not run well. The UK is run by a bunch of clowns, unfortunately, and it's only going to go downhill even more. And the UK, like, why would you want to stay in a country that can't even guarantee your safety? Imagine that. Imagine wanting to stay in a country that can't guarantee your safety, that can't guarantee that you'll be alive as soon as you walk out, because someone might stab you, someone might hurt you, someone might attack you. There's actually people that love staying in the UK, which baffles me, because it's not really a safe place. You know, this taxes are extremely high, kids are being taught nonsense, a lot of people being brainwashed by the media. The reason I left, because I knew it's going to get worse, and it is getting worse. And trust me when I say it's going to get worse and worse and worse. It's going to get to a point where a lot of people are going to leave. And not just people of ethnic minorities, even the British people are going to leave. So the country's just going downhill. I am so glad I left. The reason I'm talking about this in general is because I don't make videos about politics. I don't normally make videos like this. I normally talk about finance, how to make money online, how to become financially free. And the reason this sort of links together is because I want you guys to understand that if you make money online, you can live wherever it is that you want. You don't have to live in the UK, you can live in Dubai. If you don't want to live in Dubai, you can live in Saudi. If you don't want to live in Saudi, you can live somewhere else in America or whatever. My point is, you don't want to be tied down to one location, you want to be geographically free, because that means that you can leave the country if the country is not serving you well. That's exactly what I did. The UK was not serving me well, so I left. I moved to Dubai, and I make money online. So because I make money online, I can work wherever I want, I can travel wherever I want, and I decided to move to Dubai for this very reason. So if you can make money online, and if you can be geographically free, you're not tied down to a location. And I know a lot of people in the UK, you're tied down to your jobs, or you're tied down to your mortgage, whatever the case may be, you can't leave. I understand that you're in this situation already, but try and get a side hustle where you can make money online. There's so many ways to make money online. You've got drop shipping, you've got affiliate marketing, you've got YouTube, you've got TikTok, you've got digital products. I mean, I've got my own Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle, where I teach people how to make money online through various different ways, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, everything. So if you do want to join that, the link is going to be in the description. And again, I don't normally make videos like this, but I thought I'd just make a quick video regarding the situations back in the UK. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, and like, and I'll catch you guys for another video.